guys again to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly don't forget to hit the subscription button. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, you're welcome and welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you know, this channel is all about travel, is all about food, is all about lifestyle and everything in it. And oh my god, I even guys forgot I have a mic because I'm not used. Sorry. So guys, and today it's pizza day, and I thought, why should I not share why should I not share my secrets with you guys? So today I'll be making pizza, and I hope you guys will enjoy my recipe and you try it out. Don't forget to like and comment and share my video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscriber, guys, please. So guys, I've already started. I've already made my vegetables. I'm making my meat, but I'll show you how I make my meat. It's very simple. It's the same recipe I use for my samosa, the minced meat for samosa. So let me show you how to make the pizza, how to make the pizza dough, the pizza sauce. So let's go, guys. This is my onion for the minced meat. I've already started cooking it. I'll fry it just a little bit, not too much, because we need the flavor of the onions, you know, in the minced meat. We don't want to overcook it, so we just like fry it like 5 minutes, and then we put our minced meat and our spices, which is paprika, coriander, cinnamon, cardamom, and black pepper as I cook. And also don't forget, guys, to put the, what is it called? No, I always forget sometimes when is it hard for everyone, or guys it's just me that I forget always to the names of whatever things I'm using? Garlic, yeah, garlic, I'm looking for the word. So don't forget to put your garlic at the end of the cooking of the meat. So yeah, let me show you how I prepare my pizza sauce. First, I add in my tomato paste. This is the tomato paste that I'm using, and my onions over here. And then I'll put water, and then I'll blend them. So yeah. Ew. Sorry, I have to. So I put my minced meat after blending the tomato. First I'll finish the meat, and then I'll cook the pizza sauce. So hey, so I have to open fast, guys, because I'm the one holding my phone, and at the same time I'm cooking. So I'll put my spices, cinnamon, this is coriander, can't see, guys, black pepper, cardamom, yes, and paprika. Later on we will add in some garlic. So guys, you just give it a stir. You stir a little bit and mix in the spices. Oh my god, I have to, let me guys do it, and then I'll show you later the outcome. And add in some very little water to just cook it. Minced meat cooks very fast, just little water, not too much. So tomato sauce and the pizza sauce, that is, I'll use the tomato sauce which we already made with tomato paste and tomato. So I'll use vinegar, a little bit of vinegar. I have my oregano here, yeah, it's oregano, and my black seeds, these are sesame seeds, and I have my chili powder, and I have my olive oil. So I'll add in some olive oil, just a little bit, yeah, and vinegar, just a little bit, and I'll add in black seeds. Not too much though. And I'll add in chili, not too much also. Yeah, and I will add in our tomato sauce. So guys, and we will cook it until it's not too watery and it is not too watery, not too dry. We don't need it with water. And I'll just add in a little bit of black pepper, very little. Yeah, and my oregano also. But I have, okay, let me open. Oh my god, I don't know why it's hard for me to always cook, because I have to hold my, guys, the oregano gives it some flavor. Oh my god. So I'll stir and I'll cover it, and I continue with my cooking. As this cooks, guys, I'll start making my dough, because when it cooks and everything, and I need to cut my olives, I'll show you later the whole process. So guys, we have the flour, and oh my god, this one is spilling, and it's 1 big spoon of yeast, a half big spoon of sugar, and half warm milk. We mix them and let it grow. We will add it here, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder over here, and a half cup of yogurt, and a half cup of vegetable oil, and then we will mix everything here. These are 3 mugs of flour, because I'm gonna be making a large amount. So guys, I'll add in here everything, because and sprinkle salt, and make sure the same amount of cup you use for the flour is the amount you use to measure everything over here. So I'll add in everything and mix it up and cover it and wait for it to grow. Guys, you have to mix your mixture until it comes out of your hand. See my hand? And your basin is clean. So I'll just cover it with my cling foil over here for 15 to 20 minutes, and then when it grows, I'll just mix it. I'll just like prepare everything, guys. As I said, I'll show you. We have my minced over here. I mixed with my tomato sauce, so that when I put it in the oven, it doesn't dry up. And the consistency of the tomato sauce is like this. Okay guys, it shouldn't be watery, it shouldn't be dry like that. Guys, this is what I will use. I'll put the pizza here and cook it for some few minutes. That is the dough. I'll cook the dough for a few minutes, and then after I cook it, I come back and put it. I use this one. It's a big one. Yeah, and this one. So I think our dough is almost ready, guys. It's ready. I think we can start making. Guys, we are here now. I made them round. They are not fully round because here it's not covered. Don't mind that. That's how it is. I made 3. Not so big though. Yeah, I'll put them in the oven like for some minutes, like 5 or 3 minutes, and then I'll take out and then stuff it. Guys, 5 minutes is done, and I took my pizza out, and Yeah, there is another one I put later, so I'll just add in my meat, and then I will show you the outcome. I'm just adding in my veggies. I'm using my hand because it's a bit easier and faster. Yeah. And then my olives. Not too many. This one is for the vegetable. Guys, this is the pasterma. I washed it and cut it, and I'll add it in this one, so it's easier with my hands. So guys, I made 3, and then there is some of the flour, the dough that was remaining, and I decided the last one I'll mix each and everything together. Oh my god, yeah. So we have this one, the bastelma, and we have the minced meat, and we have the veggies. The last one I'll mix everything together. So guys, here we are. This is the leftovers, and yeah, I mixed everything together. So this is it, guys, and it goes straight to the oven. And then I don't put my mozzarella immediately because I don't want it to burn, so I just put it in the oven to cook, and then I'll take out and sprinkle my mozzarella. And guys, I show you the outcome. You guys, you're not ready for this. It's a very simple recipe, homemade pizza. So guys, mozzarella was in the freezer and it's very hard, so I'm just adding in, not too much, and then I return it back in the oven to melt the cheese. I wish I took it so early. My god. Okay. Guys, I told you you're not even ready yet. It's here now, and I'll just cut. Oops. Oh my god, it is shaking. I'll just cut it, guys, and then I'll show you. Yeah, so it is cut. There. And also I had this one, the one I showed you guys for the pastelma. This is for the minced meats, and this one is for the vegetables, and this is what I mixed, like everything together.